Lookalike campaigns turn your best connections into a blueprint and they help you identify and target companies that closely match the accounts you already know are a strong fit. And I'm going to show you how to do this in one single prompt using the Seamless plugin inside ChatGPT. Here's our prompt: analyze Target, Walmart, Amazon, and Costco to determine what they have in common, then find 100 similar US companies. We want the highest sales leader and we want all of their verified information. And on your end, you can say, analyze my past 100 closed deals to determine what they all have in common and generate a list of 100 similar companies. So you can see how powerful the tool is when it's working together with the Seamless plugin. It analyzed the 4 benchmark companies, and then it's applying those same shared characteristics as a lookalike filter using Seamless. So you can see it's listing out all the commonalities, and then it's finding us high confidence lookalike companies plus leaders using our verified database and all of the research and information that we have in Seamless. So you're seeing all of the companies here, the senior leaders, their titles, their LinkedIn, their verified emails and phone numbers. So you can see how powerful it is when the Seamless plugin works together with ChatGPT and the additional information it provides. So instead of prospecting from scratch, lookalike campaigns let you replicate what already worked and focus your team on the companies most likely to become your next customers. Test it out for yourself.